Might have to practice making snowballs again. Because,
I know,
heck,
I forget.
It's been like 2-3 years since we got a major snowfall around here, and here's the potential coming. Of course, things may adjust, they may change. We're still a couple days out, but take a look. The storm from today is gone, so it's kind of a 1-2 wintry punch, I call it, because we already got one today. That's moving out. That's brought in the cold air after the rain that affected most of us, even some of that snow north and west. Now, the cold air that comes in tonight is going to stay for tomorrow as well. And then the next major system with a lot of moisture going to move up the East Coast, and it's going to impact that cold air that's already in place. So that potential of a plowable snow coming. I'm going to call it kind of a wintry weather alert day, if you will, as we head into Wednesday afternoon into the wee hours of Thursday. And it's going to be kind of a high impact. We'll call it kind of a code red, if you will, as the snow could have the biggest impact. Now, if the snow changes to anything, it'll be sleet and rain, I think, more so than the freezing rain varieties. The temperatures will be a little too high for that. So I do not think icing is going to be a massive issue, but there could be some patches of ice here and there. Therefore, if it's mainly just snow that we're concerned about, it is going to be travel that is highly impacted, and power outages, usually that goes hand in hand with ice storms. And again, lesser ice totals expected out of this, so not expecting too much in terms of power disruption. But here is our official snowfall map going into this. We still have, again, a day or two to kind of massage out these totals. But overall in the city, expecting about 4 to 8 inches of snow just away from the water's edge. You get a little farther inland in the city, northwest Baltimore, Mount Washington up to Pimlico, north and west. There could be some amounts 6 to 12 inches that go all the way up to about Towson as well as Cockeysville. And then you go north and west to, say, Owings Mills. We'll have 12 plus inches of snow. In some computer models, they're putting out 16 to 24 inches of snow around Westminster, Frederick, Harford County up north and west. Harford County, Hereford zone, and then you get down toward Annapolis and south and east. It looks like it's a little warmer, a little more rain, and that would mean a little less snow and more kind of slushiness. That's why the winter storm watches are located basically from Baltimore City, points north and west right now as we head into Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. Next weather maker, there it is. It's just starting to get going with the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings out in the western U.S. Mile 1, Towson, Cam, it's cold, 36, so there's that cold air. And here's that system beginning to interact with it as we head into today, tomorrow. The snow beginning to kind of start to fester up on the northern edge there. And then this reforms along the Atlantic coast. And boom, that's when we have that nor'easter that develops with the high potential impact for Wednesday afternoon around here. Now, through noontime tomorrow, through about, say, 8 a.m. even Wednesday morning, it is still dry, it is cold, so that's a good time to prepare. But then the snow brushes come out at 1:15 p.m. on Wednesday through 5 p.m. There's your rain snow line in the pink, the yellow, the green. That's more so rain. Moves toward Baltimore at 9:15 p.m. Wednesday evening. Could even fully change to rain for a time here in Baltimore as we get the heaviest snow out of here. And even up toward Westminster might have a change over to rain, at least briefly, before all this tapers off Thursday morning. Maybe a leftover snow shower or flurry on the day Thursday. But the big time to watch again is going to be Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. And then it stays cold. May keep some of this stuff on the ground into Friday before a warm up and maybe some scattered showers by the second half of the weekend.